My intuition is telling me every day.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining us. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be a Sephora haul and what I got during the spring 2021 Sephora VIB Rouge event. And I'm also going to be demoing a lot of the products. I have my foundation, I have bronzer, but I don't have any highlighter, blush, or lip products, or lashes, because those are all things that I ordered. So I want to try them on camera for you guys. So I do have my eyes done, and the first two products I did get, yes, I did dip into them. I got two of the Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions palettes. So this is Toffee Brown, and I use that to create this eye. And then I also got Caramel Brown, which is this eye. So that video will be up as well. Alright. I always have to get me some velour lashes during the VIB sale because they're my favorite lashes, but they're so expensive. So these are the Fluff Yeah. So let me get it out of the death trap that is tape here. So I'm going to wait and put these on last. Okay, so let me find the highlighter. I got this Jouer powder highlighter, and this is in Ice. I first tried their highlighter recently. I got the Molten Gold one. It's like a limited edition, but it is so gorgeous. And their highlighters are only $25, so I'm like, why don't I just try another one? Here's the packaging. And here is Ice. Okay, so let me put this baby on. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's not as like white as I was expecting, but that's okay. It's still really pretty. I think it was described as like an icy white with gold in it, and I can definitely see the gold. But I also see like the icy white too. It's a really beautiful combination of both. Okay, I really like that, and it's such a beautiful formula. It's very creamy, it's very pigmented, and it's pretty cheap for a highlighter. Alright, for blush, I got this Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Long Wear Skin Brightening Blush, and this is in the color Date Night. So I actually got like a mini one of these in some subscription box, but it is the most gorgeous blush, and my mini one broke on me, so I'm like, I need to buy the full set. Oh wait, I don't think that's the same one that I got the mini of. Damn. Oh, it's still really pretty. It's kind of like a peachish. Oh yeah, that's pretty. This Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. Hydrate, smooth, boost visible fullness. Okay, so let's see. This pearlescent lip treatment instantly cools while it hydrates, smooths, and boost the look of lip fullness. Ooh, I heard pearlescent and I got all excited. Here is the container. Oh, it's a little applicator that comes out. Okay, here is what the balm looks like. So let me put some on, get my lips ready. Oh, has kind of a coconut scent and taste to it. The consistency does feel kind of similar to the Sleeping Balm. I would say slightly less thick, but still probably a little bit more hydrating actually. It's really nice. I like the smell too. I am going to put the lashes on and then we'll come back and do a lip. Okay, so these are the Fluff Yeah lashes. Alright, so for lips, I have two options. I got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream Double Take. So this is her new formula, like the cream gloss, and you get two colors. So you get, this is Cupcaking, and this is Bubble Binge. So I also got, probably my favorite lipstick of all time, but it's so expensive. This is the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine, and this is in number 6, Pink Devotion. Ooh, that's really pretty. I think what will go best with it though is this one, Cupcaking. It's kind of like a pink nude. Ooh, that's pretty. Very creamy. Let me swatch the other one. Ooh, I'm just gonna be so in love with that color. It's not even funny. And then let me do the YSL. Oh. Alright, so yeah, let's go with this one. Okay, so now my look is completed, and that's all I got from the Sephora VIP sale. I know it doesn't seem like that much, but girls, you know how quickly this makeup adds up. It is not cheap. What are they doing to us women? It's horrible. Okay, but anyways, I love makeup. I can't help myself. Alright, let me know if you guys got anything from the Sephora VIB sale, and if you did, let me know in the comments below. And so I want to start doing a new, like, kind of tradition. I'm going to pull an oracle card at the end of my videos, just for a message for anybody who is watching this video. So I have a couple, I have this angel oracle deck. I have the angels and I have the goddesses. So we will take a message from each deck. I can't shuffle, I have so much makeup in the way. Okay, so from the goddess deck, we have Hathor, which is receptivity. Allow yourself to receive. This will increase your intuition, energy, and ability to give to others. Hold on, there's a more detailed receptivity. Okay, you have a maternal side to you that naturally cares for those in need, yet this must be balanced with receptivity or the flow is blocked. Receiving is the essence of feminine energy, and it means allowing yourself to receive with grace and gratitude. If you feel guilty when asking others for help, or if you feel bad about receiving gifts, then you block your feminine energy. Your receptivity is just as natural as your nurturing, giving energy. Receptivity allows you to better hear the voices of the angels. When you receive, you have more resources to give to others. Begin by noticing the hundreds of gifts you receive every day, whether it's seeing beauty in nature, witnessing a touching human moment, or being hugged by a loved one. Simply say thank you for each gift and know that they're filling up your storehouse, keeping the divine flow going strong. So, various meanings of this card: be still and listen, release guilt about receiving, ask for help, increase psychic awareness, know that you're in a learning cycle, healing is occurring, be more in your feminine energy, child, conception, pregnancy, or birth, including adoption or favorable custody arrangements, are issues in your life. Okay, so now let me pull an angel oracle card. That is definitely something I have problems with. I have always had issues asking for help. I'm so used to being the one that helps others that it's just unnatural for me to ask for help. But since I've dealt with chronic pain the past 5 years, I'm learning how to ask for help. It's still not easy though. It's also, I don't ask for help out of fear that I'm, you know, they're gonna fall through, because that's happened so many times to me before. Okay, so we have gifts from God. Archangel Sandalphon. We angels bring you gifts from your Creator. Open your arms to receive. That's crazy. That's the second, or that's another card about receiving. And then I'm just going to pull another one. We have sensitivity. Archangel Haniel. You are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. Wow, those definitely were relatable for me. Let me know if those messages related to any of you. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.